Hello, students. Today we are starting a very important topic, that is parts of speech. It plays very important role in learning grammar because grammar is based on parts of speech. Today in this video I am going to introduce the parts of speech. The parts of speech are divided into 8 parts, and these parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let us learn what they all do and how can we use them. So, the first is noun. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. So, we can say that noun are the words we use to give name. Like, here are some examples. First example is Riyanshi is a good girl. You can see here that Riyanshi is a name, enhance the noun, and I have used a girl representing a common noun. In second example, Akbar was a great king. Here, Akbar and king are noun. Akbar shows a proper noun and king shows a common noun. And third example, Kolkata is on the Hooghly. Here, Kolkata and Hooghly both are name, or we can say that both are noun. Next part of the speech is pronoun. Pronoun is the part of speech that replace a noun, because we cannot use the name every time in the sentence or a paragraph. Then we use pronoun. Here are some words like I, we, you, he, she, it, him, her. I will tell you some examples also. Riya is Indian. She is beautiful. Here we replace the name Riya by she, because we cannot use name again and again. And now this sounds better. And in second example, Varun is a good dancer. He loves dancing. Here I have used he as a pronoun at the place of Varun, because Varun is a name and it is noun. So I have replaced the name by pronoun he. Coming to the next one, that is verb. Verb is a part of speech that express an action. Actually, verb plays most important role in part of speech, because there can be no any sentence without a verb. You can see here, Riyansh is going to school. Here in this sentence, word is going express an action, and in second sentence the baby is crying. Crying is also express an action. Next part of the speech is adjective. Adjective is the part of speech that describes the quality or quantity of a person, thing, animal, or place. Here are some words also: green, red, round, smart, dirty, short, brave, 10, 6, etc. And adjective give more information about the noun. It is mostly used in front or before a noun. There are some examples also. In first example, Bhavya is a smart boy. Here, smart is the adjective used for Bhavya. Bhavya is a noun and we are using smart as a quality of Bhavya. And in second sentence, the green parrot is flying. Here, parrot is a noun and a word green describe the noun as green noun. So, green is an adjective. Now, coming to the next topic, that is adverb. Adverb is the part of speech that adds more information about a verb or an adjective. Here are some words: before, yesterday, slowly, fast, very, almost, hardly, etc. To explain it, I will show you some examples. He is walking slowly. The word slowly is an adverb because it gives us additional information about walking. Means, how is he walking? So the adverb is slowly. And in next sentence, the flower is very beautiful. Now, I am using the word very enhance the beauty of the flower. So, such words are called adverb. Our next type is preposition. Preposition is the part of speech that shows location, position, time, or direction. It shows relation between noun and pronoun. Here are some words to describe the preposition. These are in, on, at, by, for, from, out, into, etc. That means preposition can be used to show the relation or the state of something. Like, there is a bird in the garden. Here I am talking about birds and I am using in to denote the location of the birds. And in second sentence, we want to school on Monday. Here in this example, to define the location and on define the time. Our next type is conjunction. Conjunction is the part of speech that join together group of words or sentences. Here are some words: and, but, both, or such as well as, etc. Here are some examples to explain the conjunction. I like cat and dog. Here word and is using as a conjunction because it connect cat and dog. Our next example is the sky is cloudy but it is not raining. And in this example, the sky is cloudy. It is not raining. We connect these two sentences by but. So, but is connecting as a connector. So, conjunction are the words that use to join the words or sentences. Our last part of the speech is interjection. Interjection is the part of speech that shows emotion, surprise, or emphasis. They express feeling, not the meaning. Here are some words: hooray, elash, oh, wow, hello, hi, etc. I will give you some examples also. Here in first example, hi, how are you? And in second example, hooray, we won the game. Here, the word hi and hooray are interjections because they shows our emotions or feeling. I hope you all are clear. Till then, we will meet on our next video. Till then, bye-bye.